Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your lady here, Matoni. So on today's video, I'm going to extract. No, I'm not going to extract today. I'm going to make pear juice. I picked them from my garden some other day, so I let them ripen indoors. So now they're soft. You know, when I do this, you can actually poke the finger inside it. So now that they are ripe, I'm going to use 3, make it juice and enjoy it. Okay, it's nice when you have Dora. Sorry. Okay, you don't have to be. I actually did enjoy it. You don't have to be. You don't have to let them fall down like that while you're still going to keep them, because they'll have some injuries. So I'm just going to show you how I make my pear juice. I've been making apple juice, concentrated, normal, cooked, and stuff like that. Here are the videos. You can watch them when you want to see how I actually do make my apple juices. So today we are making juice with the pear. So stay with me until the end so that you see how I actually do make it. First of all, I'm going to peel it. I remove the skin because I'm not going to sieve it at the end. So let me just get rid of the skin and see what we have to do after this. If you have some peas at home, you can try it and see how it tastes. It tastes so wonderful. I'm so much in love with it. That's why I actually do want to share this recipe with you. Alright. Just peeled it. After I've peeled it, I'm cutting it into half. I remove the bottom part and I remove the seeds like this. The stem is not there, and then I'll have to chop it like this. It's so soft. It's so juicy, and I'm so much loving it. Okay, so let's prolong with the same procedure. I'm going to speed this now so that we done with my pears now. So I'm going to take them to the pot to boil them for 5 minutes, and then from there we'll come back to the blender. As you can see, I have my cup of boiling water here. It's already boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour in my pears into this boiling water, and I'm just going to let them simmer for 5 minutes, and then after that 5 minutes I'll remove them from the stove. Not adding anything, it's just water. Okay. Our 5 minutes down the road, then we have our to blend it with the blender. So you be careful, don't burn yourself for the process. And then that's it. What am I doing? Here's why it was doing that. The water in here is hard, and when there's movement, the particles goes and it pushes everything out. So you be careful when you handle that, okay? Our juice is ready. Here's our glass. And we're just going to take it out. So we have some. It smells super delicious. Wow. Am I going to taste it? It's creamy. It's thick. So lovely. I'm loving it. You can go ahead, try this recipe at home, see where it takes you. There's a lot of health in this, you know, a lot of nutrients in a pear. If you have some apples, you have pears, you have peaches, you have everything, you can just blend them together and come up with that super good taste. So in my next video, I'll be doing apple and pear juice. So I'm going to mix them together. Or should I say, I'm going to use the juices that I have to make that one special juice. Come watch next video. See you. Ciao.